Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the Polar Flow Sync application on the computer. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the Polar Flow Sync application on a computer, you will need to have the access to a computer, of course, and also you will need the charging cable that was provided with your watch. Looks like this. Another thing you will need is to have the internet access on the computer you're gonna use to factory reset your watch, because we need to download and install the Polar Flow Sync application. Okay, so let's continue. So let's go to a computer, open some kind of web browser. I'm gonna open Google Chrome, but you can open any browser you like. And once you open the browser, click on search and type in Polar Flow Sync. And press enter. And you should see the results, and the first link should look like this. You have Polar Watch, and then Get Started link you can click on. So click on the Get Started. It should bring you to this page. If it doesn't, you can always type in this link in the search bar, flow.polar.com/start. And it should bring you to this page. On this page you have a couple of options. We are interested in the computer category, and in this category we have Apple and Windows. Depending on the operating system you're using, you need to download the correct version. I'm using the Windows computer, so I'm gonna download the Windows version, but if you're using Apple, you can download the Apple version. Okay, so I'm gonna click on Windows. It's gonna start downloading the application, as you can see. And once the download is complete, we can simply click on the pop-up right here to start the installation. You can always open the download folder, and it should be right here. And you can double click on the link, or rather on the exe, my bad. So let's click on the pop-up. It will open the exe file. It will start the installation. We can click on yes. Click on accept the agreement. Click next. Set the installation path. I'm gonna use the default one, but you can change it if you want to. Then click next. Next. You can create the desktop shortcut if you want to by checking the box. I'm just gonna click next and wait until the setup is complete. Okay, once the setup is complete, you can check the box, launch the Polar Flow Sync, and click on finish, and the app should launch, and it looks like this. It tells you to connect your Polar product. So grab the charging cable I mentioned before, plug the round side, the platform, to the watch. And basically to plug it to the watch, you need to align the notch on the charger and the notch on the watch. And you have this red, not square, red square I would say, or rectangle, that indicates where you should align the notches, as you can see. So let's align the notch and place the charger, or rather the watch, on the charger. And it should go like this. So, like that. Once you place the watch on the charger, you will need to plug in the second end of the charging cable to the computer. So, let's plug it in. And once you plug it in, the app should detect the watch. It might take a couple of seconds. And here we have it. Now it's syncing. You can wait until it's done syncing. If you want to, we don't need to do it, so we can simply click on the settings icon right here. It will open the settings page, and as you can see, here we have the factory reset button. We can click on it, click on yes, and it will start the factory reset process. Let's wait until the process is complete. Let me bring the window back. And once you see this message, you can close the application and unplug your watch from the cable, like this. And after a second or two, you should see the list of languages on your watch, which means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the Polar Flow Sync application on the computer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.